Referee Christopher Mason calls that into the first of the
Well done, Chang. Hey! You're right in front of just put it on down. Once it move right. Well done. Well done.
Tivoli substitute number 23, Trevor McCain, is cautioned.
Who scored the penalty?
Second Harbour substitution across section number 10, being replaced by Javid George. Player number 25.
Is it crazy?
You know, to be pegged back by a goal that, you know, so controversial, and we can say right now what was not a penalty. Didn't hit the player hand but hit his face. What do you go into the dressing room and say?
Well, you letting me know that. And you see, as long as we as a federation don't step up to get VAR in our competition, and I'm not saying at this time, you know, but what I'm saying, it's not going to help our football because the rest of the world is already there and we are pretty much behind.
Coach, some might say we don't have the financial ability to have VAR right now.
Find the private sector to be a part of it. Find the private sector to be a part of it.
What they could do in the meantime, coach, if there's no VAR? Could it be more courses for referees down here and more rules, you know, stricter, what should I say, stricter, you know, schooling of the refs, you know?
Well, the referees federation needs to deal with all of that.
All right, straight to some controversial moments, coach. The penalty seemed to not be a penalty on review. Talk us through feeling that decision, you know, it went with you today. How do you feel?
It's football. You have times that the call go against us, and today we're fortunate. If that's what you're saying, it didn't touch the hand, it touched the head. But we're fortunate to get that, and we take it. We take that any other time because sometimes it goes against you, sometimes it goes for you. So you have to just work with it.
Do you look on it as deserved luck?
Yeah, I'd say deserved luck, but I'd say deserved luck, yes. But at the same time, it's not luck. We were working hard, and we're playing. I think we're playing good enough to get back into the game.